Infections and Communicable Diseases Part 5. Pertussis, Whooping cough, bacterial infection caused by Bordetella pertussis. Incubation period 5 to 21 days, usually 10 days. Communicable period greatest during catarrhal stage. First stage, which involves running nose, sneezing, mild fever and cough. Source of infection discharge from the respiratory tract of infected person. Transmission direct contact or droplet spread. Indirect contact with freshly contaminated articles. Sign and symptoms. Symptoms of respiratory infection: increased severity of cough with loud whooping inspirations, irritability, cyanosis, respiratory distress, and anorexia. Management: supportive care, symptomatic treatment, antibiotic therapy. Nurses intervention: isolate the patient in hospital. Universal droplet precaution: administer antibiotic as prescribed. Reduce environmental factors that causes coughing spasm such as dust, smoke and sudden changes in environment. Ensure adequate hydration and nutrition. Provide humidified oxygen if prescribed. Always monitor cardiopulmonary status.